In this recording, we will go over an option for trying to do your registrations during this period with a $0 fee. So what you'll want to do is go into where you're charging and change your fees to be $0. This way, it still allows them to select which option they are. This way, when you have all your fees set to 0 and you have registrations come in, if the program goes forward, what you'll be able to do is go into the roster and update the value. So the reason that a registration should still go through for $0 is if you have custom form questions like t-shirt sizes, you'll be able to collect that information. This way you still get your form responses. And what you'll do in the future is when you decide if you are able to have this program, what you'll then do is come into here, see what fee they chose or what fees, if they chose add-on fees, you'll see that as well. And you'll click View Edit, Edit Registration, and change the value right here. So let's just say it's going to be $30. So you can change the fee to be $30. If they chose the add-on fee, you can change the amount in the box here and save. What that'll do is that'll put a value on these invoices. And you guys have a little bit of an option here. You could go from this screen and just go roster actions and email everyone and say, hey, the program is going to be happening. Please log into your community account and pay your open invoice. That way they can go online and log in and pay their invoice from home. For those of you who would prefer to send the actual invoice on the Money tab and on Invoice List, what you'll be able to do is hit Show Advanced Options and come in here and choose that category. Choose the category and set the start date. So if you only allowed registration to happen from a certain period, you can set the start date here and hit Apply Search. And what you'll be able to do is click on this, and if there's multiple invoices, you'll see that here, and say Actions and Send Selected Invoices. And from here you can say Program is running. And this will send them their name, attached is the link to the invoice, as well as a link to the invoice. And remember, you can update the body and add any language here, like a signature line if you'd like. You just need to type that in and then hit send. And they'll be able to access those invoices from home and be able to pay for those registrations. And that's the workaround for doing $0 enrollment.